Welcome, welcome. This is Noble, and why we learn why super discipline, like discipline, like monk, is important. So, if you are having pain of like you're not having a strong mindset to become super successful in life, if you are having procrastination, pain of not having a monk like discipline, pain like you're not able to focus properly, doing a lot of work but still getting not getting success in life, pain of not knowing what truly focus is, pain of not knowing how to give attention to things in life, pain of not consistently, like with consistency and persistence, not able to, like you're not giving that, getting bored and all, you're not giving 100% to things, pain of rejection, not knowing tools and systems for achieving 10x success in life, not knowing how to become achieve 10x success in life, not knowing how to truly be successful by doing less and with simple and step to step process, like pain of not having more like clarity. So I would recommend you to join this masterclass, how to have a monk like discipline in your life and achieve super success. Okay, we have a simple teaching process, methodology, super simplicity, step to step process. You will learn all these skills, simple theory and simple models, and you will learn the tools, and there would be a simple implementation. You have to make changes in your life accordingly, no complexity, and all these things. So these secrets I will teach you, and kindly join the masterclass, and where we learn how to have a super discipline and discipline like monk. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see you in the masterclass. Thanks.